Okay, let's check it out on this hill. Easy peasy. Just sit here. See, it's not having a problem. We're doing 22 up the hill. Beautiful bike. Easy. No problem. Takes hills like a breeze. So I've been riding the R5 for a while now, and I wanted to share what it's really been like owning this bike. What I like, what surprised me, and a couple of things I think people should know before buying. Has everything you could want. Brakes work well. And it's a nice workout. For me, it is. Like I said, I can paddle, I can not paddle. You know, I can get some assistance, a little assistance, a lot of assistance. It's perfect. It's going to make you go much further on your bike than you would have otherwise. I never would have rode my bike to these places or this far away from home. I've been to parts of town and seen parts of town that I would not have otherwise. When I first got this, I was like, oh no, this is not going to work. This is not, I just kept saying, but I kept saying, I love the ride though. The ride is so smooth. I want to make this work. For me, getting on and off took a little getting used to. But once I'm riding it, I really enjoy it. There have been some people who say, why would you buy one of these for exercise? The reason I say get one of these for exercise is, number one, it's not so much stress on my knees or my joints. They don't hurt when I ride this. I am still getting exercise. On my regular bike, I would get tired so fast that I would turn around and go home. Maybe a 3-mile ride. With this, I will go miles and miles. I'm burning a lot more calories on this than I would on my regular bike because I'm spending more time doing it. Overall, I've really enjoyed riding the R5. It's comfortable, smooth, and it's gotten me riding farther than I ever would have on a regular bike. If you have any questions about the R5, leave them below. Thanks for watching.